Hello everyone, welcome to the new video, and for today I haven't prepared any stories for you guys. Instead oh, there goes his trash. Okay. Instead of that I want to try something different this time, so we're gonna watch this video together and I'm gonna, let's say, react to what's going on in this video and we'll see how that goes. So let's get started. Here we have an example of someone who doesn't look where he goes, and this is what happens. We talked about this in a previous video, some of you may remember. Let's see what happens here. Yep, he probably was speeding and the car with the dash cam blocked his way and he changed the lane and crashed into that truck. Here we have the Dacia driver who missed his exit and made a very stupid move. And in my opinion, he's the one responsible for the crash. In this one, the things are pretty clear. He ran the red light and crashed. Heavy rain, the truck lost control, and unfortunately the car drivers couldn't do anything about this. Let's see what happens here. And I'm sure he was on his phone, because as you saw, he didn't even brake, he just crashed into them. Here we have another red light jumper and he pays for his stupidity. In this one it looks like this guy is going a little bit too fast and bam! He even broke the windshield with his head because he didn't wear a seatbelt. The truck ignores the red light and this guy gets his engine removed for free. Let's see what's going on here. Oh, the rhino guy didn't check his mirrors. That was a very dangerous move. And now the innocent guy is in the ditch. That's really bad. And these guys watched the latest Fast and Furious movie and they decided to have a go, and he ended up on its roof because he's stupid like. Oof, this could have been much worse. Thankfully the guy's okay. This is very dangerous. He illegally entered the intersection and now he's crashed. Let's see what's going on here. The truck is rolling backwards. I don't know what happened here. Probably the driver forgot to put the handbrake on. That's probably the case. Oh, this was a really bad one. The guy probably fell asleep or something. And here we see how easy it is to roll over your car, so be careful. And here we have another example why you should look as far as you can, because if that guy did that, he wouldn't crash. And as you saw, he started to brake too late, and because the road is slippery, he locked up his brakes and made the whole situation even worse. Looks like we have another red light jumper, and yep, I don't know what he was thinking, but that was a stupid move. That guy decides to brake silently. The other drivers didn't pay enough attention and now there's a big crash. Here we have another Audi driver who is showing us his amazing driving skills, and yeah, we are impressed. Here we have a taxi, and we all know how they drive, so there's no surprise here. This guy said, "Hold my beer, I'm gonna overtake this Lada," and yep, in Russia you don't overtake Lada, the Lada overtakes you. What's gonna happen here? The guy in a silver car tried to avoid the car in front, but fails, unfortunately. Now I think it's time to wrap up the video, and like always, if you have some suggestions, some ideas, feel free to write them down in the comment section. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching and I'll see you soon. Ciao.